Here is Hilsha fish, the king of fishes.
আরে বাংলাদেশের মেরে তুই এইলা দুইলা চাষ গান একবারে যেই ঘুইরা তাকাস লাগে ঝাকাস পদ্মা নদীর ইলিশ খাইয়া রুখা নাকি ঝকঝকে বানাস
Hello everyone, welcome to our show. This is Maliha from Bangladesh. You know, Bangladesh is a country in South Asia with full of diversity. Diversity in lifestyle, diversity in culture, and of course, in food. Right now, I'm talking from a very traditional kitchen. Such type is seen in the most of the villages of our country. Today, we're gonna show you a very traditional cuisine with a very traditional ingredient of Bangladesh, and that is Hilsha fish, our national fish, the national fish of Bangladesh. Dear viewers, today our cook is Miss Rashida from this village. So let's get started. I'm sure you will love it.
রাশিদা আপা চলুন শুরু করি জি
In this kitchen, from the stove to the utensils, almost everything is made of clay. This is called yam. In Bengali, it is called mati alu. It has different names in different areas. This is yam, a very nutritious vegetable found in the nearby household areas in the villages. Do you know the scientific name? Dioscorea elata. Like other types of potatoes, yam is also can be eaten being mashed or being cooked with the fish and meat. It is heard that in some countries of African continent, this yam is treated as the staple food. Sliced is finished. Now the turn of washing. Clean slices of yam are being poured into the hot water for boiling. Some salt and turmeric powder are being added in the water. Salt and turmeric will remove the dull extract from the yam. Here is Hilsha fish, the king of fishes. This is not only our national fish. Hilsha fish is a Bangladeshi GI product. 65% of total production of the Hilsha fish in the world is produced in Bangladesh.
আপা কাটবেন জি
This delicious Hilsha fish is not only famous in Bangladesh but also worldwide. On the international fish base, there are innumerable names of this fish in 25 languages. Hilsha is the fish of saline water. Most of the time remains in the sea. For breeding, it comes in Bangladesh by crossing almost 1200 kilometers waterway. 80% is eaten here in Bangladesh out of total collection of Hilsha fishes around the world. The scientific name of the species we eat in Bangladesh is called Tenua losa ilisha.
আপা সিদ্ধ তো হয়ে গেছে
তাই
জি
এখন মাছ না
জি
certain amount of salt is being spread over the pieces of fish. After that, red chili powder. Now, turmeric powder.
আজকে ভেজে নিতে হবে
জি আপু ভেজে নিব।
Now, it is the time to mix all the ingredients together. Small amount of oil is needed to fry this fish as Hilsha is oil itself. The oil of Hilsha fish contains omega-3 fatty acid, which is helpful to maintain the level of cholesterol and insulin. Apart from omega-3 fatty acid, there are plenty of protein and some vitamins in Hilsha. Also, there are some minerals like sodium, calcium, magnesium. Cooking is disrupted if firewood gets finished, but if food is cooked on the stove of firewood, the taste becomes awesome. In the comparison of the taste of fried fishes, the taste of Hilsha is unparalleled. Traditional dried balls, locally called kumrabori, are being stirred on the fry pan. These traditional balls, made of pumpkin and one kind of lentils, bring extra taste and flavor to the meal. This taste enhancer traditional kumrabori contains sufficient protein, calories, and different types of vitamins and minerals.
আপা কখনো বিস্কিট পেনে কাঁদছেন?
কাঁদছি না মানে আমি তো কাঁদি নাই, পেঁয়াজি আমাকে কাঁদাইছে।
Green chili and onion into the oil. After cooking a bit, some cumins and small amount of water. After the spice powder, the turn of spice paste starts. Powder and paste, all the spices are being cooked perfectly. the pieces of boiled yam are being poured into the cooked spice after washing with water. After being cooked for a while with the spice, water is added into the pan. Have you ever seen this type of stove? This stove is made of clay soil. In Bangla, we call matir chula. Wood, straw, and rice sticks are used as fuel. This type of stove can generate more heat, so by using it, one can cook very quickly. Now, by covering the lid, it is needed to be cooked with an increased heat.
আপা ইলিশ মাছ দিয়ে যে বাংলাদেশি একটা গান আছে বাংলাদেশি মেয়ের তুই গানটা শুনেন না
হাই হাই কোন গানটা ওই যে
ইলশা মাছ দিয়ে
বাংলাদেশি
মেয়ের তুই
আরে আচ্ছা বাংলাদেশের মেরে তুই হেইলা দুইলা চাস একবারে যে ঘুইরা তাকাস লাগে ঝাকাস পদ্মা নদীর ইলিশ খাইয়া রূপখানা কি ঝকঝকে বানাস হয়েছে এবার চলেন একসাথে গাই
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে
1 2 3 বাংলাদেশের মেরে তুই হেইলা দুইলা চাস একবারে যে ফিরা তাকাস লাগে ঝাকাস পদ্মা নদীর ইলিশ খাইয়া রূপখানা কি ঝকঝকে বানাস একবারে যে ফিরা তাকাস লাগে ঝাকাস পদ্মা নদীর ইলিশ খাইয়া রূপখানা কি ঝকঝকে বানাস ও লালা হো ও লালা হো ও লালা হো ও লালা হো
After singing the song on request of Rashid Appa, the mind has become refreshed. The will of eating has also become strong. The fried pumpkin balls are being added to the yam. Now, the pieces of fried Hilsha fish. Dear viewers, let's check out once again the ingredients of Hilsha fish with yam and pumpkin balls. The ingredients are Hilsha fish, yam, pumpkin balls, onion, green chili, cumin, red chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, garlic paste, ginger paste, cumin paste, salt and oil. Hilsha is a very tasty fish. Yam is a tasty vegetable. Pumpkin is also very tasty. Moreover, the magical expertise of the cook. The dish must be delicious.
আপা খায় দেন মাইটা আলু দিয়ে কুমড়ো বড়ি দিয়ে ইলিশ মাছ
হ্যাঁ খেয়ে দেখি। কিন্তু ইলিশ মাছকে চামচ দিয়ে খাওয়া যাবে হাত দিয়ে খাই
আচ্ছা
এটা রাখেন আপা দারুণ তো আসলে মজা হয়েছে
ধন্যবাদ বাড়ির যা আপনিও রান্না করে খাই দিন
আমি বাড়িতে রান্না করে খাবো
Delicious, just beyond description. Any doubt? Then try it at home and enjoy its awesome taste. and I must welcome you to come and visit Bangladesh. Enjoy the culture and cuisines. Enjoy the undiscovered extract of Bangladesh. Dear viewers, see you in the next episode. Till then, take care and goodbye.